Hey guys, it's me, back on Ancient, and today I'm going to be shooting a tutorial video on how to make an easy paper Audi TT Roadster. So it's this car right here, and I have it in a mini play toy thing format, and among all the Hot Wheels and mini cars I own, this was always my favorite. So I'm going to be trying to make this out of paper using red A4, our trusty little red A4. I don't think we're going to need much of it. First things first, we're gonna start with a little sketch, a little layout, I'd say. So I actually don't have a decent plan as to what I'm going to do, but I think this looks like a box, so it would be pretty wise to start it as a box with edges, of course. So to make a box, what you're gonna need is a rectangular shape, just like that, and then we've got the side things. Just let's imagine everything is shifted one step down. So we'll be using this much. I think that'll be more than enough. So let's fold this right over there. So it's supposed to bend downwards. Maybe I don't need that part. Let's just keep a little bit of it. Alright, so I think this is my final layout. So if you want to trace it, you can. But now I'll be pulling it up to see what it actually turns out to look like. This is our first fold. Looks promising so far. Looks like an ordinary box right now. Okay, slight inconvenience. This head part is a bit too big. Alright, I don't need these spiky little things right down there. Alright, so this is my final layout. I think I'm going to make this the final layout. So without any further ado, let's just do some drawing on it. So I'll use my marker. I think I'll make the screen, the windshield, pure black. I don't have glass like plastic this time around, so I'm not sure if I should do that though. Actually, let's not do that. Let's just open it up. Alright, so this is what I came up with so far. Added a little bit of design. And now all I have to do is fold these in place. So first let's tape the corners or the door areas like that. Just like that. And let's open up the wheels as well, just a little bit. And on the other side as well, stick them in place like this. And now finally the top parts can go in. Let's start with the front. Alright, so that's the car body. Now I could add some wheels down there and maybe a seat or two inside, but that'll be some work for a different day. This is so far what it looks like, and I think that'll be good to go on to the next video. So yeah, that's about for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope we got some inspiration to do some paper crafts, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, share the next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.